Hello everyone, my name is Vinay. Today I am going to solve some questions regarding differentiation. In that we have uh, I have taken that part is differentiation. Differentiation part we are going to solve some questions regarding this. Okay, in this I have some questions. Okay, first these questions may come to the board exam and these are very important questions for ours to understand. Okay, in that it is very easy topic. That first question I will go through only examples here, that is x raised to sin x. We have x raised to sin x, friends. In this x raised to sin x, here you can note that which kind of function it is. It is function raised to function. X is also function and sin x is also one function. Okay, here you can note that x raised to sin x is a function raised to function form. Okay, in this we have to they have not given any name for this, like indication anything. Now we have to consider this as y equal to x raised to sin x. Okay, after we have to find the derivative. Okay, we have to find the derivative like this. Now what is the we cannot apply here derivative directly, because this is function raised to function form. In if we have function raised to function form, then we have to apply log on both sides. We have to apply log on both sides. Here we have to apply log on both sides, then it becomes log y equal to this becomes log x raised to sin x. Okay, here you know that if you know very well that uh, log x raised to sin x we have to make this as simple form. In this you have that property, we have that log m raised to n. If that log m raised to n, we have to take it as n into log m. Okay, okay, that is the property for log. Here log y as it is, log x raised to sin x is the log m raised to n into log m, that is sin x into log x. We have here we have to find derivative. After this, after getting like this, we can find easily derivatives. Okay, that derivative of log y, you know that derivative of log x is 1 by x. The derivative of log x is 1 by x, and now they have given derivative of log y. Okay, to find derivative of log y, we have to apply like that only. With respect to x they are asking, so here derivative of log y is 1 divided by y into we have they are asking with respect to x, so we have to find derivative of y also. That becomes dy by dx. With respect to x we have to find the derivative of y. Now you know that very well. Here sin x into log x. Okay, this is in the multiplication form, so here we can apply product rule. That product rule is known thing, that is we have to write product rule is also now, that is very easy. We can apply here, that is first function as it is, means sin x as it is, into derivative of log x we have to do, that is 1 by x, plus we have to write log x as the second function as it is, into derivative of sin x cos x. So here is very easy step, that this is a in multiplication form, so we have to apply here product rule. Sin x we have to write first function as it is into derivative of second function, plus second function as it is into derivative of first function. I have done here, that is also very simple. You can understand by applying 2 or more examples. Okay, here 1 by y is there, so we have to cross multiply to this, that becomes y into sin x 1 to 1 divided by x. That becomes, you know that y, what is y? Y is nothing but x raised to sin x. So I will directly write that x raised to sin x into, in bracket we have to write this function what we have got, that is sin x by x. I can write it. If I multiply this, it becomes sin x by x plus log x into cos x we get. This is the answer for dy by dx. Okay, this was the very easy question, and now I am going to take one more question like this also. It is different. Here we have got only one function raised to function form. Now I am going to show you two functions like okay, that is x raised to sin x plus that is sin x raised to cos x it is sin x raised to cos x it is. Okay, now you can think that this is very different question, and you can solve it easily by easily like this also you have to find this. Okay, then here they have not given any indication for this, so we have to apply here y equal to, okay, this how we have to write y equal to x raised to sin x plus sin x raised to cos x we have to apply. So here you know that this is y. Here we have to find the derivation for separately we have to find derivation for this function. To find derivation, you know that x you can consider this as u plus here sin x raised to cos x is there, so we have to consider that as p. Okay, now I have considered y equal to u plus v. So here if you find the derivative of dy by dx, that becomes du by dx. Derivative of u is du by dx plus derivative of v is dv by dx. So to take this here we have to find derivative of y with respect to x. To find derivative of y we have to find derivative of u plus we have to add the derivative of v. Okay, then we get the derivative of y. To find that we have to consider this function separately as u equal to x raised to sin x. We have to complete it. Take this. Now it is in function raised to function form only. Here if we apply log, that I have already found here because I took that example to show that how the questions may come. This is the, we have already got this answer, so directly it's okay, I am going to write this one more time. That becomes we have to apply log u equal to log x raised to sin x. We have log u equal to sin x into log x. Here 1 by u into du by dx we have to write. This is sin x product rule as it is, sin x by x plus log x into cos x we are getting. Okay, here you this and this is that side, it becomes delta du derivative of u that becomes derivative of u that becomes x raised to sin x. We have to take it x raised to sin x into in bracket sin x divided by x plus log x into cos x we have to take. Now I found the derivative of what? Du derivative of, I found the derivative of u. I found the derivative of u, and we have to find the derivative of v also. Like that I am considering this is separate function, this is the another function, this is not like this. You have understood this question, but this question, and you have to know about this kind of things. Okay, this is also same like this only. Here consider v equal to, this is sin x raised to cos x. We have here p, you have to take this as log apply, apply log on both sides. Okay, we have to apply log on both sides. That becomes log p equal to, here you know that log, it becomes now here log sin x raised to cos x. We know that property. What is the log b raised m raised to n? We can consider anything, b raised to a, anything a raised to b, you can anything here, anything you can consider. Okay, now this is like that form only. Like here we have written that log x raised to sin x is sin x into log x we have to taken now. That's why sin x raised to cos x is log sin x raised to cos x becomes cos x into log of sin x it becomes. Okay, now we have taken like this. Okay, now we can find a derivative easily for both of them. We can find derivative. Log v derivative is 1 by v into dv by dx. If you already know that derivative of v is dv by dx, we have to find derivative of v. Then cos x, here you know that product rule, cos x rule, cos x as it is into derivative of log of sin x is 1 by sin x into 1 by x. Okay, 1 by x not see, this is the confused thing. Here you have to put this is as it is, here you know that log of sin x we have. To find the derivative of log of sin x, you have that we know that log x equal to what? 1 by x. Okay, here we know that log x equal to 1 by x. Here we get 1 by x as the derivative of log x. So if it was a function was log of any function like sin x, here you have to do one thing, that is log of sin x. Here we have to take derivative of like that only. Here 1 by x is the log x, in x place we have sin x, so 1 divided by sin x you get. Into derivative of you have to do sin x also. This is in log of f of x form, so then it becomes log of f of x. If it is formed like this, you have to derivative of it is derivative of log. Okay, derivative of log you have to do with that multiplied, you have to derivative of f dash of x also we have to do. Okay, if I done like that, here we have got 1 divided by sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay, here it becomes cos x by sin x is cot x we get. Like that also here derivative of log of sin x is 1 by sin x I am written, and now I am going to the derivative of sin x is cos x. In plus we have to write. Now I am applying product rule, so we have to write plus in between them. After writing plus the derivative of second function, we have to as it is, we have to put it as it is into derivative of cos x is minus sin x, we will get. Here in bracket you have to write that in minus sin x you have to write in bracket, because we don't want to make any confusion, so we have to write it in, but it is in multiply form, so we have to write it in bracket. After writing in bracket, I will write one more step here. dy by dx equal to cos x by, here is cos x into 1 by sin x into cos x. Here you have to do cos x by sin x, one you have to take, that becomes cot x into cos x plus log of this plus, here is in minus, so I have to take it as outside, so minus of log sin x you can write, or log sin x into sin x, I will write like this. And now we have got this answer, so we have to send this phi, we have extra thing, that is phi, we have to send this, and we have to cross multiply. So if we multiply that to that dv by dx, we get phi, you already know that sin x raised to cos x, that I have to write sin x raised to cos x into bracket, you have to write this one function cot x into cos x minus sin x into log of sin x I am writing. Okay, here we have got this function, and now I have got du by dx also, derivative of v also. Okay, now we have to find derivative of y. To find derivative of y, we have to add the derivative of u and derivative of v. Already you know that, as you know that dy by dx equal to du by dx, we have got it as x raised to sin x, that is sin x by x plus log x into cos x we have. Okay, this is completed, plus we have to write, because this is adding function, and here we have got sin x raised to cos x, sin x raised to cos x. In bracket you have to write this as cot x into cos x minus sin x into log of sin x. We got the answer. Okay, like this you have to find the derivative of any function if they give any function. Okay, now I am going to solve one more question, that now I am going to solve the simple one. Okay, that is log x raised to cos x, that we have. Third question we have log x raised to cos x. Okay, here also this is function raised to functions form, and here also we have to apply this log on both sides. Okay, by applying log on both sides, first say this, they have not given any name for this, we have to consider this as y equal to log x raised to cos x, we have to consider. And here they have not, we have to, this is the parametric, not this is the function raised to function. Parametric means there we will have to that kind of questions also I will solve in later. Okay, this is we have to apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. Okay, we get this is log y equal to log into log x raised to cos x we get. Okay, here we have to take this as this side. This becomes log y equal to cos x into log of log x we get. Okay, we got this kind of function now. This is the different function. Okay, here you know that derivative we can find easily, that we have got two functions like we have in the multiplication, and we can apply here product rule. To apply that product rule, first 1 by y, derivative of log y, that is 1 by y into dy by dx, you know that already, equal to cos x. Cos x as it is, you have to write first function as it is into derivative of second function, that become derivative of second function is 1 by log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. I have already told you that how I took this answer, that is we know that derivative of log x is 1 by x. In derivative of log x we have to find, that is 1 by log x into derivative of log x also we have to find, that is 1 by x. Okay, this is the answer. Then plus we have to write, then second function as it is log of log x as it is we have to write into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, this is the derivative, and here we can make this as simple also, that is 1 by y into dy by dx equal to, this becomes cos x divided by x into log x also we can write it, plus this becomes minus we have to consider because here is the minuses minus, so minus sin x into log of log x we have to consider. After getting this, we have to cross multiply this y this side. You know that what is the meaning of y we have considered here, that is y equal to that is 1 dy by dx equal to y is log x raised to cos x. Okay, into multiply we have to derivative we have to write like this in bracket form, x into log x minus sin x into log of log x. Okay, this is the answer for this question, and we have got this answer. Okay, and this was a very easy question, like first one also this was easy question. Now I am going to take the second one. Another question I am going to take now, that we have one more function, different function, that is log not sin x y equal to sin x raised to x plus sin inverse root x. We have this kind of function. We have to find derivative of this function. To find derivative of this function, you know that already, this is u, this is p, we have to consider. Now we have to find derivative of y, so we have to find derivative of u plus derivative of v, then we can also get derivative of y also. So to take that, first you consider this as u equal to sin x raised to x. Here you have to know, you know that already apply log on both sides, that is becomes log u equal to log of sin x raised to x. Okay, this is the thing, and you have to, you know that log m raised to n form is n into log m, that becomes log u equal to x into log of sin x. We have it is, if you do the derivative of this function, we get it as 1 by u into du by dx. I have already told this many times. Then now it is in multiplication form, so we have to consider product rule. We have to apply here product rule. X as it is, derivative of log of sin x is 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. We have derivative of sin x is cos x. This is in f of x, so we have to find like this, and plus we have to write log of sin x as it is into derivative of x. You derivative of x is 1, because you know that here we have respecting the thing with respect to x only, so derivative of x is 1 we get. If we are derivating y with respect to x, then it is dy by dx. Okay, if we derivative any another function without x, then it becomes like this also. If we consider now, if I told you to derivate y with respect to y, then it is 1. Okay, that is the panda here. Thank you. Now this we have got log of sin x as it is the derivative of x as it is. Now yes, I have to find. If I cross multiply this u that side, we get it as sin x raised to x into here cos x by sin x we have to take, that is becomes cot x, x into cot x plus log of it is sin x. Now we find the derivative of du by dx. Okay, now we have to find the derivative of this one, that p, derivative of p we have to find. This is the first one, and we have to find the derivative of second one, that p equal to, we have the function sin inverse root x. Okay, in sin inverse root x, here you have to find derivative, like here you have to apply log on both sides, that becomes log p equal to, I think here is no need of applying the log. Here we can find it is easily, very easily, that we know that derivative of sin inverse x is 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square, that is the derivative of sin inverse x, and derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 divided by 1 under root 1 minus x square, that we have that kind of derivations. Okay, to find that derivation, here you know that p equal to sin inverse root x. Here no need to apply log, we can find the derivative directly here. Okay, this is an easy form, that becomes dv by dx we have to consider equal to derivative of sin inverse of root x we have to find. We know the derivative of sin inverse x. Okay, that the derivative of sin inverse x is 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square we have. Okay, this is the derivative of sin inverse x. Okay, here you know the derivative of sin inverse root x we have, so we have to write like that, 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square. In x square place what we have to in x square x place. Okay, in x place, here is x, in x place we have root x, so I have to write root x here, root x whole square into derivative of root x also we have to do here, because this is in sin inverse of f of x form, so that becomes, we can consider that this is sin inverse of f of x form. So here we can take it as 1 divided by under root 1 minus f of x whole square into f dash of x. Derivative of f of x is called f dash of x. Okay, we have to take like that. Now here into derivative of root x is, you know that 1 by 2 root x it is. 1 by 2 root x it is. Okay, now here we have to make this root and this root get cancelled, 1 minus x it is, dv by dx equal to 1 divided by under root 1 minus x into 1 divided by 2 root x we have like this. Okay, and this is dv by dx, we have found this, and then this is second one. Okay, now if I want to find derivative of y, dy by dx, I have to add these derivative of u and derivative of p. Derivative of u is, I am getting sin x raised to x 2x into cot x plus log of sin x it is, plus we have to write this derivative of v also, that is 1 divided by under root 1 minus x into 1 divided by 2 root x. Okay, this is the answer we have got here, and this was very easy question. Okay, in next video I am going to solve some questions regarding parametric form and any other difficulty questions like miscellaneous questions.